Hello, my name is Carnell Borden, and I'm an assistant professor of business analytics at the School of Business at California Baptist University. I also help students prepare for certification exams as a Microsoft testing site here at CBU. Employers tell us that proficiency using Microsoft Excel increases job candidates' profiles. It's a universally used application in business across so many industries. Based on this employer feedback, we offer Microsoft Excel Bootcamps to students from across CBU, regardless of your major.
Hello, I'm Hailey Hohmann, and I'm a junior at California Baptist University. As part of my marketing degree, I was required to get the Microsoft Excel certification. I had taken a similar class previously, so instead of paying for tuition for an extra class, I signed up for the bootcamp. It was the best decision I could have made, and I highly recommend taking the bootcamp for those of us too busy with work or other classes. It's designed to help people pass their exam. Because of that, I was able to achieve the highest score in California, and I obtained the Microsoft Excel certification.
The JAB School of Business offers 3 weeks of instruction. We call it a bootcamp, and this leads up to the exam, all for that same $120. I look forward to seeing you in one of our classrooms soon. Lance up.